Thank you. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please let's settle down, please. The President will soon be here. Please. Please, let's take our seats. Take our seats, please. Thank you. We have empty seats everywhere. Let's settle down, please. Let's settle down, please.
Commissioning takes place by 12. So stick to the channel. Please don't forget, we're going live to witness the full commissioning all through. So I'll be glad to see you on the video. Take a closer shot. Let me show you guys what is written on those signboards that is being installed on the center of the road, because I also want you to see it for yourself. These are some trucks. These vehicles are saying they're working on Eco Atlantic, so please pardon me for the noise. They are very, very loud vehicles. So I'll show you what is being written on this signboard so that you can see what's being written. That vehicle you see that just passed, they are the one carrying those things and they are the one installing them. So this is what we have here: a historic milestone, Lagos-Calabar coastal road. Then a picture of President Tinubu. Then under it is written 2nd year anniversary of President Bola Ahmed